Hi, my name is Donna Higbee. I'm the police chief here in Galloway Township, and I wanted to take a moment to talk a little bit about Mike Bult and Mastermind Leadership Studios and what they've been able to do for me and the members of my department. We've had them come in and do various trainings on individual levels, small groups, large groups, workshops. We've done coding, personality coding, which everyone found very interesting. And for me as a police chief, I always am looking for more progressive training, stuff that's not just specific to law enforcement, stuff that can kind of incorporate what we do, our business in the community, into what the private sector does as well. And Mike and Mastermind have really been able to help us in moving forward with the different trainings that they do, whether it's leadership, seminars, personality training, as I spoke to earlier. He's just always been there for us, and it's just a great corporation and a way for us to branch out from the traditional law enforcement training that we do. All of our officers have been very receptive, and every year they ask me when Mike is going to come back and they can do more training in that field.